Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you what foil does in Build a Boat for Treasure. You might think it's just a random dumb block, which doesn't do anything. Well, you already see now. See? It bounces. Look at this. So, if we take a normal block and then take foil blocks, this will jump, this won't. Oh. Okay, so you might be wondering how do you get foil blocks. So I'm pretty sure they're in here. Probably not actually. If it's not, it's going to be over here. I don't know how I got it before, but yeah, I have 90 of these actually. That's nice. I didn't know that. So I don't think you can scale them. Oh wait, you can. What? Can you make a trampoline? Okay, let me do this. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so cool! Wait a minute. You can also play a fun game with your friends. It's like a balance game. And then you have to like stay on here and keep. Oh, well, actually, it's probably impossible. Oh my god, that's so epic. Also, I'll show you how to do this. No, I'm joking. But actually, now that I'm doing it, I'll just show you. So, wait a minute. You can do. Bruh. Let's. Oh my god, I'm deleting the eggs? Why is that not working? See that egg over there? I can delete it. Once. Okay, maybe that one I can't do. But did you see that? I was deleting the eggs. So anyways, that's what foil does. It just basically bounces. Yeah, see? Oh! Anyways, bye.